In this video lecture, I will explain logical operators and sizeof operator in C. So what is logical operator? An expression containing logical operator returns either 0 or 1 depending upon whether expression results true or false. So logical operators are commonly used in decision making in C. So these are the three logical operators in C. First one is logical AND. So we write 2 ampersand here, and this will be true only when all the operands are true. So let's take one example. C is equal to 5 and D is equal to 2. Okay, so here C is equal to 5. This will return true because we are comparing the value of C and 5. So 5 is equal to 5, this will be true. And here 2 greater than 5, this will return false. And since we have logical AND here, so true and false will give me false only. So the result will be 0. Logical OR, this is the operator, logical OR operator, and this will be true only if either one operand is true. So if one of the operand is true, this will be true. So this will be false only when all the operands are false. So the same example, if I write logical OR here, then this value will be true and this value will be false. So one of them is true, so this will be true. And this symbol is used for logical NOT, and this will be true only if the operand is 0. So when the operand is 0, it will be 1. When the operand is 1, it will be 0. So if I say C is equal to 5, then expression, if I write the logical NOT of this, so this will be true. And if I just write logical NOT, so then this will be false. And one more thing you remember, any non-zero value will be true. So other than 0, all the non-zero values will be true. So for example, if I say A is equal to 5, so that means this will be considered as true value only. Okay. So let's take one example. Here this is the program to explain the working of logical operator, and we have three variable A, B and C, and then we are writing the different types of logical operator, and we'll see what result, value it will give. So first one we are saying A is equal to B, okay, and C greater than B. Okay, so we have written logical AND here. So remember one thing, when it is logical AND, both the operand should be true, then only it will be true. If one of them is false, it will be false. In case of logical OR, one of them should be true, it will be true. And in case of logical NOT, if it is true, it will be false, false will be true. Okay, so here this one A is equal to B, 5 is equal to B, definitely it is true. And C greater than B, so 10 greater than 5, this also is true. So definitely this will give me true. So 1, the result will be 1. Here A is equal to B, this will be true, and C less than B, so 10 less than 5, this will be what? False. So definitely 1 is true, 1 is false, so this will be 0. Here this is true and C less than B, this will be false, and since one of them is true and it is logical OR, so this will be 1. And here A is not equal to B. So A is not equal to B, 5 is equal to 5. So definitely this is false. And C less than B, so 10 is less than 5, this is also false. So definitely when both are false, then even logical OR also will give you false. And here A is not equal to B. A is not equal to B is false, and negation of false will be what? It will be true. And so here true value will be printed, and here A is equal to B, this is true, and when we write logical NOT of true, it will be false, so this will be 0. So this will be the output of the given program. Next is sizeof operator. So what is sizeof operator? The sizeof operator is a unary operator that returns the size of data, and it can be constant, variable, array, structure, etc. So this is the program. So here you can see we write size of A, okay, and we have taken 4 variable. A is of integer type, B is of float type, C is double, and D is of char type. And we are printing, so size of A means it will print the size of the variable. Size of A means the data type, okay. What is the size of that data type, that it will print. So size of A is of integer type, so it will print, it depends on the machine, okay, whether it is 16-bit or 32-bit or 64-bit machine. So here for example it is printing 4 bytes, and here float also it is printing 4 bytes, okay. Here it is double, it is printing 8 bytes, and then char it is 1 byte. So it depends on the machine. So this value may differ also. So hope you have understood both the operators, logical and size of operator. Thank you.